Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you some of the tips that you can use to make the backup of large databases and restore them. And there are actually two things that you can do. You can go for the normal backup and recovery, backup and restorations using the tools that are available from the management. Sorry, I'm talking up here about SQL Server, and we have the management studio. So you can do that from there or using some other script, or you may decide to do it the hard way, and that is copying the data file from one system to another. And this is what I'm going to talk today. And usually by going for the built-in backup and restore operations, usually it may involve some permission issues or something related to security and permissions and this and that, and usually this thing may create a lot of headache. So what way to do this one with the minimal downtime, even though it can be a subject of discussion, is to do the following. You go in your source instance. I'm talking about instance here because you may make the backup and restoration, the data migration from one instance to another, or you may take it from your development environment to the production environment, and sometimes you want to move it from one production to another production, and here you have some data that you want to move to the new system. So in order to do that, here, suppose here we are here in our source instance or our source server or development server, what we can do here with this current database is what we take it offline. We take it offline, and when we take it from offline, we can go to the data folder of this instance here and copy the data, the MDF, and then the data file and the log file here in the data folder of this instance, and then move it to the data file of the destination instance. And these are the steps. These are the steps that I mentioned here. Is just select the database that you want to move to another instance or another server, take them offline, except the system database or the unwanted databases. Then when we have them in, copy these data files and log files to the destination server, then we put them in this data folder. The next thing that we are going to do here is after copying this data file and log file in the source instance or source server and put it here in the destination under the data folder of the destination, we can just go now and then attach this database. We can attach it using the management studio or using some script, some SQL statements, then attach it to the destination server. In this way, our database will run smoothly without a lot of errors. So I just wanted to share with you this one way of moving large set of databases from one system to another, this data migration strategy that you may adopt. In the next tutorial, I will share with you some of the scripts that you can use in order to achieve this. But before this, I wanted to discuss with you, to share with you the general strategy that you may adopt if you still have some doubt. That said, feel free to watch the next video to see exactly what I'm talking about. Ciao.